Hey guys, we're back. In today's video we are shark fishing off of the kayaks, and what we're using in this video for bait is a little bit of a bigger pinfish, probably 6 inches long. We caught it off of some shrimp earlier in the day, and we cast another couple. So what we did is we threw it out on a big tarpon rod, as we call it, and we threw it out for some sharks, and what we got was a nurse shark. It ate the live pinfish, as you're seeing right now. The nurse shark is right near the kayaks, and it took it within 15 minutes of us throwing it out. Usually they eat off the bottom, but this one ate off the top. So thanks for watching. Have a good time.